Espanyol, Mauricio. Muy problem. No entiendo Espanyol. Oh, habla poco. Pag-ingo na. Mistiki, how many language can you speak? Little, like one English, a little Espanyol, poquito Espanyol, poco Espanyol, and Betsia, Netherlands. I tried to translate with zeros. I think, Yabor, I think the oh my god is oh my god. Maybe he only heard it from somebody saying that oh my god. That's why oh my god, oh my god. Naa, Pinay sa glance, oh my god. Oh my god, I think oh my god. OMG. Sirkan. Be akong, wait, saka akong i-message si Sirkan, be. Sirkan. Lami ako, noto ni mong itlog, Sirkan. Oy. Akong i-message si Sirkan, be. Oh my god, karon. Yeah, Bakerstok, I think. And he only heard it from somebody. So, he don't know the spelling or... Sirkan. I will message you, Sirkan, ha? Sirkan, speak English, Sirkan. You have phone. You can translate it. Oh my god, juga ron. Oh my god, juga. Oh my god. Yeah, I know you're from Turkey, Istanbul, but Serkan, use English in the house, okay? Kapuya po daan, be. Atong i-translate si Serkan, be. Turkish. Oh my god, oh my god. Guys, please do thumbs up. Thank you very much. Pinay sa no English. Bahala ka diya. Kapuya po si. That's it, guys. Bakerstock is dropping the link of the translator there. Oh, Serkan, translate ha, Serkan. Kunoto na imuhang itlog ron. Pinay sa merhaba, Serkan, but you need to speak English. Ay, ambot mo, Serkan ka. Bahala ka i-kick yung karon ako ron. I'm tired of that. I'm tired of that, Serkan. Nahiwi na akong now.